Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you Dollar General haul 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, went to Dollar General and I had mapped out this deal that I am getting ready to show you. Yeah. Y'all, my mind is just going today because there's so many things going on and I do apologize. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so I said I wanted to do the 5 off of 25 and then the 5 off of 30 gang deal. Okay, so I think you got until, I think it's next week to do the 5 off of 30 gang deal. I wish they would just bring back the 5 off of 20 gang deal, but you know, you can make it work with the 5 off of 30. So yeah, the first thing I got, I went ahead and just did the fireworks. So I don't have none of these in my stockpile, and it's actually, this deal is actually for me because I don't have this for myself. I don't have no more in my stockpile as far as gain anyway, but this right here is my deal, okay, for my stockpile. So the first thing I got was these gang fireworks. These gang fireworks, they are $4.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is these fireworks, gang fireworks also. And this is in the fresh water sparkle. This one is the 10 ounce. This right here is the 5.5 ounce. This right here is the little bigger one, is the 10 ounce. And this one right here is $7.50, and there is a $3.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Gang Fireworks Mama Jamma. This is the Blissful Breeze. This ounce is the 26.5 ounce. This is $15.95. There is a $8 off digital coupon that did attach. Then the last thing was these two Gain sprays, Power Blast. I haven't used these, but I do use the Dawn, and I love the Dawn, so hopefully I will love the Gain. They are $4.75 a piece, but there is a buy one, it's like $3.99 off of two, so it's not a buy one, get one free. But it's $3.99 off of two. These was not on sale. I wish they was, but it is what it is. And the $3.99 did come off. So it did make my 5 off of 30 come off, okay? So what I did was I also had those Crest coupons. I still had some on my one of my cards, one of my numbers, which was my number. And I still have one more, which is the $6 off of 4. But the Bright and Clean, look, I got them all, the different, so you'll see. The Bright and Clean, that's what all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. I did the 3 off of 2 and then the 5 off of 3. So it made a total of 5 of them. They did scan for the Bright and Clean, but they did not scan. It did not say anything for the toothpaste. I didn't really want the toothpaste because I have a lot of toothpaste, but I don't have that many of the toothbrushes. So I said, let me go ahead and I just want to get the toothbrushes. That's what I've been trying to get in my stockpile, is just a lot of toothbrushes because I have a lot of toothpaste. The $5 came off of these toothbrushes, and then also the $3 did come off, but the $6 off of 4 does not scan for these toothbrushes, okay? It scanned for the toothpaste, but not the toothbrush, but they didn't even have the toothpaste in stock, okay? They just had the toothbrushes, so I was like, great. So after When she rung up everything, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all. When she rung up everything, I put my number in. And she hit total. It said $17 and something cents. I said, no. She said, well, it was like 40 something dollars. I was like, yeah, it was 40 something dollars. I said, but some of my coupons did not come off. And I was like, I'm not paying that. So I was like, you can go ahead. I said, I will put all of this back for you. I said, but I'm not getting ready to pay that. And so she just kept on trying to get me to say, to go ahead and pay for it. Because she's like, well, it was 45. I said, it might be 45. But out of my pocket, I'm not paying no 17. I said, no, I don't do that. And so she was like, okay. She said, well, I put it back. I said, you sure? I said, because I can do that. And she was like, no. So then she hit total again. Yeah. So my subtotal that I actually said that it was supposed to come, it did come. Okay, on there. I said, yeah, I paid that amount right there because that's what it's supposed to be. But I wasn't paying no 17. She's like, oh my goodness. She said the computer must have been stuck or something was going through the process. She said, because I don't know exactly what was going on. I said, I don't either. I said, but I will pay that price. She said, you want it? I said, yes. Yes, ma'am. So my subtotal was $6.96, y'all. Yes, $6.96. And that is the amount that I said was supposed to be my subtotal. But I'm going to show y'all my receipt and show y'all my out of pocket. All right, so there is the gain, the small one. There is the gain, the medium-sized one. And then there's the gain, the big one. Then there is the gain Power Blast. And then there is the Oral-B, because y'all know any overage goes within the transaction, okay? And then there's my subtotal, $6.96. And everybody's taxes is different, but the reason why my taxes is so high, I went to another state, which I am close to Indiana. And I went to that store. So that's why I think their sale taxes is just it's like a little bit higher than ours, than Kentucky's. So I paid out of pocket $9.23. And look at my total savings, y'all. $35.49. You can't beat that. And then there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday, for this Saturday coming. So y'all, you can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. So it was good that I had this overage right here. I wouldn't have mind paying a little bit more, but when I seen these Oral-B toothbrushes, and I knew I had those 2 coupons because I think they expire next week. And I was like, let me go ahead and get this overage and be done with it. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. If you would just subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nana's Channel.